Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello future engineer. Hello future engineers. Here is another video in differential calculus, particularly on derivative by chain rule and the application of the basic derivative formulas such as derivative of product or ratio. I hope that after this video, your knowledge in differentiation will be enhanced in preparation for more challenging problems in the future, which is on the applications of the derivative. So there are 4 exercises in this video. I hope that you will stay with me and listen to the explanation and discussions to the solutions of these problems. Find the first derivative. So we have y equals 1 over quantity 1 plus square root of 1 minus x close square. So I will transform this into, I transfer this denominator into the numerator so that we can apply power formula. So y is equal to quantity 1 plus square root of 1 minus x raised to negative 2. By power formula, the derivative y prime is negative 2, quantity 1 plus square root of 1 minus x raised to negative 3. Then the derivative of square root of 1 minus x is, remember the formula, derivative of 1 minus x in the numerator, which is negative 1, all over 2 square root of 1 minus x. So again, y prime is negative 2 times quantity 1 plus square root of 1 minus x raised to negative 3 times the quantity derivative of 1 minus x, because this is square root of u, so du dx over 2 square root of u. So du dx is negative 1 over 2 square root of 1 minus x. Simplifying, we have negative 2 and negative 1 half cancelled. And I bring this into the denominator so that the exponent would be positive just like the original. So y prime is equal to 1 over square root of 1 minus x times quantity 1 plus square root of 1 minus x close cube. So y prime equals 1 over square root of 1 minus x, then quantity 1 plus square root of 1 minus x cube. So that's it for problem 37. For problem 38, we can differentiate this right away by power formula. So the whole of this is imagine w. So y prime is 1 half, then w to the negative 1 half times derivative of w, which is derivative of ratio, which is denominator times derivative of numerator minus numerator times the derivative of denominator. So 38, y is equal to u over 1 minus u to the 1 half. So therefore, y prime or dy du is equal to 1 half times quantity u all over 1 minus u to the negative 1 half, then times quantity denominator 1 minus u, derivative of numerator with respect to u is 1, then minus numerator u, derivative of denominator negative 1 all over denominator square. So all over 1 minus u square. Simplifying, so take note that this is u to the negative 1 half. To make the exponent positive, I transfer this, put this into the denominator. So this becomes 1 over square root of u. And the denominator 1 minus u raised to negative 1 half, because it is in the denominator, if I put it in the numerator, then it becomes 1 minus u to the positive 1 half, or it becomes square root of u. Then this one, when simplified, is 1 minus u plus u, so it is just 1. Then all over 1 minus u quantity square. So again, this is equal to square root of dy du equals square root of 1 minus u over square root of u or 1/2, copy. Then this is now in the numerator with positive exponent raised to 1/2 or square root of 1 minus u. Then u to the negative 1/2 is now in the denominator, u to the positive 1/2 or square root of u. Simplifying these terms inside these brackets, this is equal to just 1, then over this denominator. So we just copy 1 over 1 minus u quantity square. So this can be combined. These are like terms. So the final answer is dy du is 1 over square root of u. Then this becomes 1 minus u to the 3/2, because 2 minus 1/2, the exponent of this is 1/2, is 3/2. So dy du equals 1 over 2, then square root of u times quantity 1 minus u to the 3/2. Problem 38, 39. Proceed to 39. So this is again by power formula. So y is w cubed over a minus w raised to 2/3. So dy dw, or y prime, derivative of y with respect to w by power formula first, 2/3. Then we copy this expression, then raised to negative 1/3, then times derivative inside, which is derivative of ratio, which is denominator, derivative of numerator minus numerator times derivative of denominator all over denominator square. So y prime, or is equal to 2/3 quantity w cubed over a minus w to the negative 1/3 times the quantity a minus w times 3w square minus w cubed times derivative of a minus w, which is negative 1, all over denominator square quantity a minus w square. So simplifying, this is 2/3, then w to the negative 1, then denominator a minus w to the negative 1/3. Then here we simplify, this is 3aw square, so times quantity 3aw square minus 3w cubed plus w cubed, so 3aw square minus 2w cubed. So 3aw square minus 2w cubed all over a minus w square. So take note that these are like terms. We can combine this as a minus w to the 5/3. 2 minus 1/3 is 5/3. Then here we factor out w square, common. Then we'll have 3a minus 2w. So y prime equals 2 times w to the negative 1 over 3 quantity a minus w to the 5/3. Then this is times w square times quantity 3a minus 2w. So w to the negative 1 times w square is w to the 1, or simply w. So the final answer, w prime, is w times 3a minus 2w over 3 quantity a minus w to the 5/3. So y prime is 2w times 3a minus 2w over 3 times quantity a minus w to the 5/3. Then lastly, number 40, there are 3 expressions in multiplication operation. So I'll group x squared and x minus 1 cubed, and then we apply derivative of product as shown here. So y equals quantity x squared, quantity x minus 1 cubed, then times 2x minus 5 raised to 4. So I'll consider this as the first expression, then this one the second. So derivative y prime is equal to first, derivative of second. Take note of that. So y prime equals, so I'll copy this inside the brackets, then times 4 times quantity 2, the derivative of 2x minus 5 raised to 4th is 4, quantity 2x minus 5 raised to 3 times 2, because derivative of 2x minus 5 is 2. Then plus second, so I copy quantity 2x minus 5 raised to 4, then times quantity first, so x squared, derivative of second, so x squared times 3 quantity x minus 1 square times 1, derivative of x minus 1 is 1, then plus second quantity x minus 1 cubed, derivative of x squared is 2x, so x minus 1 cubed times 2x, then close. Simplifying, this is 8, 2 times 4, 8 x squared times quantity x minus 1 cubed times quantity 2x minus 5 cubed. Then here, plus quantity 2x minus 5 to the fourth. Then for the terms inside the brackets, for constant, there's no common constant, but for the variable x, there's common x. So plus 2x minus 5 to the fourth times x, then quantity 3 times x minus 1 square, then plus 2 times x minus 1 cube, but x minus 1 quantity square is also common, so plus 2x minus 5 to the fourth times x minus 1 square, which is common. Then what is left here is 3x, on the other part is 2 times quantity x minus 1. After we factor out also x minus 1 square. So let's copy the whole of this. Let's simplify this part, which is 5x minus 2. So y prime is 8x squared, quantity x minus 1 cube, quantity 2x minus 5 cube, plus quantity 2x times quantity 2x minus 5 to the 4 times x minus 1 squared times quantity 5x minus 2. So for these two terms, the common for x is x. For x minus 1, the common is x minus 1 square. For 2x minus 5, it is 2x minus 5 cubed. So y prime is x times quantity x minus 1 squared times quantity 2x minus 5 cubed. Then times quantity, this first term here divided by here, this is 8x and x minus 1. So times quantity 8x times x minus 1 for the second, this term here divided by this common factor. So we have 2x minus 5 raised to 1, or 2x minus 5, and 5x minus 2. So plus quantity 2x minus 5 and quantity 5x minus 2. So y prime, we copy the whole of this, then this is 8x squared minus 8x plus 10x squared, negative 4x, and negative 25x is negative 29x plus 10. So y prime is, we copy the whole of that, then times quantity 8x squared minus 8x plus 10x squared minus 29x plus 10. So finally, we combine like terms here, simplify this. So y prime is, we copy the whole of that. Then in these brackets here, we have 18x squared minus 37x plus 10. So y prime is x, quantity x minus 1 squared times quantity 2x minus 5 cubed times quantity 18x squared minus 37x plus 10. So that's the final answer. We can no longer simplify that, so let's just color it. That's the final answer. Y prime is x, quantity x minus 1 squared, quantity 2x minus 5 cubed times quantity 18x squared minus 37x plus 10. So that's it for this video.